okay, your own farmland is about
26 acres.
26 acres, and this man beside you has
150 acres.
wow,
of
like
land.
this man. Hi guys, welcome back. These are short video clips that will be together on my way. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bisayo's vlog, and please don't mind my voice. I'm just recovering from, how do I put it? I lost my voice, so I'm just recovering. So guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see, that I'm inside, well, I'm not inside the bush, I'm inside a farm. Yeah, this is one of the changes I'm talking about that I'm bringing to my vlog. This is a travel vlog, and I'm right here in Resfield Farm. I'm not sure if that's the correct pronunciation though.
It's actually Resfield.
Resfield, okay. In Osun State, Ile-Ife to be precise. So I'm going to be taking you guys around the farm and everything. It actually belongs to a friend of mine, and you guys will meet him now. Yourself.
My name is Olale Samuel. I'm a farmer and a farm consultant. Here we are.
So there's still more, but this is just like the intro.
Let me show you. This is the pepper nursery as you have it. I mean, I just decided to do it the local way. This is the local way of planting. There's a way we can actually do it that it will be more spacious than this. Yeah, we just have to put them together.
Which pepper is this? Rodo Abi?
This is Rodo, yeah.
But they've not started growing.
No. This is still the nursery stage. This is about 1 month.
Okay. So like how many months?
Give or take 2 months max. They should be out of nursery because at the 5th month you should start harvesting. So pepper is about 5 months. So
after 2 months, it's because of still this nursery stage. That's why you covered it like this, Abi?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the essence of the nursery of this, just to protect
from sunlight and everything.
Yeah. And so that when we wet, it won't get dried easily.
Okay. Especially this hot weather.
Yeah, with this hot weather, you can imagine everywhere is dried, as you can see. Let me show you something. You see this? This is bower plant. Don't mind what as this is a bower plant now. This has been transplanted, and you can see that the ground is dried. This one does not need any protection because it's no longer in the nursery.
Okay.
So this is, as you can see, and it's almost bringing out flower already.
Yes. And
with time, once after the flowering stage, you see the bower coming out. One by one. Yeah. See, the hot weather is actually affecting this one now.
This one is already growing.
This one is already growing. You can see, having fruits already. But this is this fruit. The number of fruits this one is producing is actually very small compared to what I had during rainy season, and that's because there are no water. It's not getting constant water supply. Okay. So this is what happens when you don't have a proper irrigation system in your farm. And by God's grace, we're actually working on it. This year is going to be different.
Amen.
So let me show you. Yeah, this is Baba Bosse.
This is the manager.
This is the manager.
Oh yeah, wait, pronounce the name of the farm very well again.
Resfield Farm.
Okay, Resfield Farm in
REZFLO.
Okay. Ile-Ife, Osun State.
The cash crop here that we are going into will be cashew, because you know the cashew nuts. That's where you get these cashew granules.
Oh yes.
The cashew nut that we eat.
Okay.
But you see the fruit itself. It's used in the production of so many things, like the cosmetic that you ladies use. Yeah, it's used in production of oil and paint. and so many other things that you cannot imagine. Even the chemicals, the fertilizers that we use.
Is it not
the
this
insecticide.
cashew? Is this yellow or
No, that's not the fruit.
Okay.
You see the bean like. I would show you when we get back to the farmhouse.
No problem.
I would show you how it looks like. The bean like.
Okay, that's what they
the
use.
fruit.
That's the fruit.
That's the fruit, not the juicy part.
Oh, because I think that juicy part is what they sell in the market.
Yeah, that's what they sell in the market.
And I heard it's flush the stomach or probably medicinal in a way or something.
Yeah, because actually, you know, that's why sometimes when you take cashew, when you take it, you have this sour taste. It's acidic, so it actually has a lot of chemical components, and which are also good for the body. So this is the beginning of the 3 acres plantain that we have here.
Okay.
So let's move closer. Pause it. Let's go. Let me show you. This is the one I just planted. I planted
A cashew tree.
In 2019.
This one?
Yes. Late 2019.
That's like 2 years now.
Yeah,
Okay.
Going to 2 years now. So this is the height which it has attained. I'm just using this one. There's another one there. That's the other one. You can see that they are almost at the same level.
Okay.
Yeah, and judging with this, next year you should start bringing out flowers because
so this one is not flower yet.
No, there's no flower yet. There's no flower yet. It's still trying to produce more branches, more canopy, in order to have enough flowers and it will give you enough fruits that you need.
So for how long will it take?
3 years.
Wow.
Yes.
So let's just say by next year, Sha.
Next year, yes. Next year, if you come again, you won't be meeting only this one. You'll be
more of
cashew everywhere. So these boots because
all these insects.
Not insects.
What?
Snakes. Yeah.
Hey.
Cobra to be precise. Cobra. I've had to fight with some, on that spot.
Really?
Particularly, like they tend to move around, especially during this hot season.
Hey.
Yeah. Like they will stand up to you and they don't fret.
Please, let's hurry up and leave this place. Please.
Okay, let me start with this place. This is starting from that end, the end there. So this place.
Is it planting?
This is 3 acres.
Okay. From here down to that place. That's like 3 acres for plantain, Abby?
Of plantain, yeah.
Yeah.
And I can say that we have over 800 stands of plantain here.
Wow.
It might be looking scanty, but trust me, there are lots of plantain here.
But they've not started growing, like they've not started coming out.
No. They are still 5 months old.
How many months do they take?
9 to 1 year.
Wow.
1 year max.
Okay.
You see them.
Okay,
So they actually like this because there's no water. The rain has not started, but like I said, we are planning something for them.
Okay.
So and this is the snail house. Yeah, it's still not completed anyway. It's work in progress, as you can see. The gutter to stop ants from coming in, and this is the penthouse.
So there's nothing inside for now.
Oh, for now, I sold all the snails for the season.
Wow.
Yeah, you didn't see the one kind I got.
Yeah, she showed me.
Yeah.
Even she didn't prepare it on time because of the exam.
Yeah, she told me that she even had she lost some of them. Yeah, I sold snail, and I have about 54 penthouse here, so that can take roughly over 100,000 snails.
Wow.
Yeah.
The whole 54
can take over 400,000 snails. Wow. Although, like this space here now is to create another one, a double layered penthouse again, because You know, doing the with the production of snails, when a snail can lay about 9 to 15 eggs, that is if it is the African giant snail. But if it is the one that cannot attain the African giant snail size, it lays 30 to 50 eggs. So just imagine one snail laying that amount of egg, and they lay 4 times a year maximum. Let's just
So
say
like the one that you put there to make it start growing, like that multiply.
yes.
Is it that they just grow from the ground or?
No. They don't grow from the ground.
Because
Actually,
it's only when rain falls that I know I used to
you
see
see
snail on the
snails.
wall around.
Well, there's an explanation to that because snails hibernate during hot season like this.
Oh.
That's when you see them having this white shell,
Oh,
white covering
okay.
at the mouth. Yeah. So it's not like as if they're just coming out from the ground. Well, for the eggs, when the part of incubation that we do for them for the eggs, we just bury the eggs. This place was used as my incubation, actually, as you can see.
Okay.
These ones were
Did this one still grow or they are already there?
no, they already came out. I already harvested them.
Oh.
That's why it's like this. Actually, it's not supposed to be this dried.
Oh,
It's supposed to be
wet,
wet, and although there's still some eggs inside, but I don't think they are very good.
Okay.
So they hatch and they come
I
out.
think these are some shells on the floor.
Yeah, these are some shells of because yeah, this is AMS.
Okay.
This one does not attain the African giant snail size. Let me look for
Okay, I think is by their size. That's how you name them.
yes, not this is AMO. It does not have any red sign. I don't know if you can see it. Usually there's always a red sign like this at the tip. A red sign.
This is dark.
It's dark. This red spots at the
Okay.
down and at the tip too. You can see. But the AMO doesn't.
Oh.
It doesn't. It's
Okay.
just normal without any color. So this one can actually attain the African giant snail.
size.
Yeah, size. And during seasons like this, like dry season, we're always increasing the price because we know that nobody.
Like it's always limited.
Yeah, nobody. There's no way those that pick snails from the bush.
They can't see
They
during
can't
this
see
dry
during
season.
this period because the snails they won't be moving around and they'll be
Because
hibernated already.
In my house, I think we have this. The ground is wet and like farm bush one part like that. So my cousins they used to see it on the floor, but it's always very very small.
Oh.
And I don't think it's even during dry season. It's during wet season. You know that one during wet season you'll be able to see it anywhere. Like even in the hostel self, most times you just see it around.
Well, that's just it for this.
So you guys see them here,
Yeah, a lot.
and
We
you
have
kill
them.
them and sell.
Of
Wow.
course.
But what are the people that kill them? Like you
Yeah,
have hunters for.
We have hunters. Actually, there's a village after this farm.
Okay.
So we have hunters there that move around. You see them in groups shouting. So once they start shouting like that, the animals start running up and down. You see them shooting.
Really. So like
So
let's
it's
assume like, or let's just say they are in hiding now.
Yeah.
So if all those hunters should come and start shouting, they start moving around.
They start moving around.
It's just like all these movies. It's the movies I used to watch. Like they'll go for hunting.
Exactly. That's how they do it. These are the palm trees. Actually, I can't say that I planted the palm trees myself, but I made them on the farmland.
Okay.
But we have to pay for them. I mean, we have cocoa here too. We have kola nuts.
Wow.
I might as well show you a kola nut tree and a cocoa tree if you let me.
Okay.
Let's go. Oil production.
150 palm tree.
Yeah.
Wow.
Of this side. We actually had to cut down some in this area because I wanted to use it to grow my tomatoes and pepper.
Okay.
Last year I had pepper also. We plan on expanding into the farm because this is just 10 acres. We still have 15 more acres inside.
Wow. That you've not touched at all.
I would not touch that all.
Yeah.
So
This palm tree, like, is it, I don't know how to call it. Is it that they measure like how many gallons of palm oil or how many liters of, or how do you guys?
yeah, per tree, right?
Or is it not the tree that makes palm oil?
Yeah, it is actually. The thing is, it actually depends on how the tree produces fruit for you.
Okay.
If the palm kernel are actually much, you should be able to get 20 liters.
Per tree.
Did I say 20
Twen-
liters?
That's small.
Yes, you should be able to get 20 liters
Per tree.
per tree. But a tree this height, you will definitely get more.
This one
If
also
an
palm kernel.
Yes. No, this is not a palm tree.
Okay.
A tree this size, you will definitely get more. Actually.
Oh, okay. So the higher, I mean, the taller
higher.
they have,
Yeah.
the more you get
the more you
to.
get. Yeah. And the bigger the fruits are. I wish I can show you the ones with fruit already. Or let me just show you. This is the kola nut tree.
Which one?
I wouldn't want to take it into the bush.
Eh?
We normally go inside, like just go inside to look at how they are. But closely, I think someone came to take this down already. So I'm not seeing any. Okay, yeah. The palm kernels are still trying to come out.
Okay.
So that's the shaft.
Yes.
The shaft in between. That's where the palm kernel comes out from. At the point, the base of the leaf or on top.
Okay.
You can see it. Yeah,
So you mean they enter inside this bush, like go inside?
Yeah. Don't worry. I would take you through a safe path. I will touch you with any leaf.
Yeah.
And then you pick any leaf too and you touch me with any leaf.
What if this were that used to scratch somebody here?
How did you know what I mean?
Can you imagine? Hey, please, oh Samuel.
Anytime I'm walking.
The way you're touching it like that, Shay does not used to.
No. Anytime I'm walking, I always try to like watch out for this. Yes, this is it.
Hey, please.
Yeah?
Please just please. Is it that because do they scatter like all this powder form or?
Yes, it can actually, but this one is not yet ready. Like although it will still harm you.
I beg.
But it is not
Eh?
yet ready.
Please just drop it aside.
Anytime I'm going into the bush, I don't dress like this, with my shirt like this.
That's what I'm saying. That how do you go like?
Look out for it, because we have a lot of them here. Actually,
Hey. Hope we shall pass where it is.
I actually wish you came during the wet season, when you get to see the tomato plants.
Growing, Abby.
Yeah, it's always very nice and beautiful.
Wow. Yeah, there was a time it used to grow at the back of our, like we just used to pour water on that land, and then we realized it started growing tomato.